Hey there, welcome to the channel. If you're a student in 2025 wondering, how can I make money online without spending anything? This video is for you. Maybe you're tired of asking your parents for pocket money or just want to start earning for yourself without any investment experience or time wasted. You're about to discover 10 legit ways to earn money online, whether you're in college, high school, or just graduated. Trust me, these aren't the usual take surveys for 2 cents kind of ideas. These opportunities have helped thousands of students, and with the power of AI, you can do it too. Grab a snack, sit back, and let's dive into earning online with zero investment. Stick around till the end because the last few ideas are underrated but super powerful. First up, freelancing. Websites like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer.com let you sell services globally. No skills? Think again. Writing essays, designing with Canva, editing videos, or managing social media are all in demand. You can learn any skill for free. Use YouTube, Coursera, or Free Code Camp. Once you're ready, create a gig and start small with $5 to $10 gigs. Reviews build trust, and soon you can raise your rates. Create digital products like planners, templates, or social media kits, and sell them over and over. Use Canva. It's free and easy to design. Then sell on platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, or Payhip. People are always looking for tools that save time. Just offer something useful. Affiliate marketing is one of the best ways to earn money online. For free. Join programs like Amazon Associates or Temu Affiliate, get your links, and when someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. You don't need a website. Post reviews, unboxings, or tutorials on social media. Even with 500 to 1,000 followers, you can make decent money with consistent content. Pro tip: use Linktree or beacons to organize links in your bio for free. Don't want to show your face on YouTube? No problem. Faceless channels are trending. With tools like InVideo AI and Pictory, you can create videos quickly using scripts. Pick a niche, upload consistently, and once monetized, earn from ads, sponsorships, and affiliate links. YouTube has turned many students into earners. You could be next. Good at a subject? Try online tutoring. Platforms like Preply, Cambly, and Superprof let you tutor without a degree. Help others with math, science, or coding and earn per hour. A solid internet connection and clear explanations are all you need. Bonus, you'll improve your communication skills too. Love design or fashion? Try print on demand. Design products like t-shirts, mugs, and phone cases. Companies like Redbubble handle the rest. Printing, shipping, payments, no inventory or investment needed. Upload designs and get paid when someone buys. Use Canva or AI tools like Kittle for easy designs. Notion is a popular tool for productivity. You can create and sell custom templates for planners, goal trackers, and more. List them on Gumroad or Etsy. Designing takes a few hours, and once it's live, it can earn passively for months. Your voice could be the next big thing in voiceover work. Platforms like Fiverr and Voices.com allow you to upload voice samples and start earning. With practice and time, you can land paying gigs for audiobooks, YouTube videos, and more. Get paid to answer homework questions. Websites like Chegg Tutors and StudyPool pay for your solutions or help with live questions. If you're strong in a subject, this is an easy way to earn. Each answer could pay $5 to $20 or more. Want a quick and easy way to make money? Try Swagbucks or Clickworker. You can earn for watching videos, taking surveys, or testing apps. It's not huge money, but it's great for extra cash in your free time. There you have it. 10 ways to earn money online in 2025 as a student with no investment. Bonus tip: focus on 2 to 3 methods that match your interest, learn, and stay consistent. In 6 months, you'll be glad you did. Drop a comment with which method you'll try first. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more student money tips and online income ideas. See you in the next one.